Break ID number 3206. 2018 Luminance Football 1-box break. This one has one filler for 10 spots. Right there. Go. Cody, N.A. gets 10 spots in that break. And the alphabetical list. Go. Wow. This was moved from tomorrow. Richard C.H., that's $150. PC team on the top row. Because this was for tomorrow, we moved it to today because it was sold out. And there you go. No, it doesn't. Dalvin Cook, jumbo jersey. Minnesota. Aaron, C.U. Bo Jackson, vintage. So these remaining three should all be autos. DJ Chark. Isn't that next week? Chark week? I think it is. That's the 249. To the Jaguars. Jared, Y.E. Tom Brady gold parallel. Derwin James. Rookie ink to 249. Chargers. Michael A.P. Last pack. I'd worry about it if I know you didn't laugh also. Ronnie Harrison, Rookie ink to 99. That's Jacksonville also. Jared, Y.E. All right.